Today is 1st May and Maharashtra Day. I forgot actually. So you can start with the shloka 56 number. Mataji's can start. 8, 16, 56. Start karo Mataji.
भुक्तवत्सु च सर्वेषु
भुक्तवत्सु च सर्वेषु
दीना बन्धु कृपान्विषु
दीना अन्धु कृपाणुषु
विष्णोस्तत्प्रेणमं
विष्णुस्ततः प्रणीतनम्
विद्वान् भुञ्जितः स बन्धुभिः
विद्वान् भुञ्जित स बन्धुभिः. Each and every word, Mataji.
भुक्तवस्तु after feeding च also सर्वेषु everyone present there Dina very poor Anta blind crippled those who are not Brahmanas Adishu and so on Vishnu of Lord Vishnu who is situated in everyone's heart Tat that prasada Parinanam pleasing Vidwan one who understands this philosophy Bunjita should take prasad himself Saha with Bandh Ubhiga friends and relatives one should distribute Vishnu prasada to everyone including the poor man the blind man the non-devotee and the non-brahmana knowing that Lord Vishnu is very pleased with everyone is sumptuously fed with the Vishnu Prasad. The performance of Yagna should then take Prasad with his friends and relatives.
Can we recall what is going on? What is this topic going on now? Anybody remembers? What is the topic? Which way? Payovrata. Okay. Why this Payovrata is happening?
Because
Who is doing the Payovrata? Aditi. Why she is doing?
To support his children in Devtas.
Because Indra, their children, have lost what?
They have lost
Swargaloka.
kingdom
And she being the mother, the heart is crying for them.
is quite depressed.
And she wants that all their problems should be solved. And for that, she is going to his husband, who is the husband as well as a guru for him.
Yeah.
And Kashyap Muni is astonished to see that how such a lady, even though she is intelligent, she still has that motherly attachment. And knowing the Lord's plan, Kashyap Muni engages her in the vrata. And we also know that it is the plan of the Lord that the Lord will appear 3 times.
Yes.
Prishnigarbha, Vamana and Lord Krishna. Right? So he had promised that he will appear 3 times. When they had done 12,000 years of tapasya. So they had done the 12,000 years of tapasya previously and they got the boon, but now they still have to do tapasya. So if you want Lord in your life, yajna, dan and tap are very, very important parts. Without yajna, without dan and without tap, it is not possible. ISKCON movement is based on these 3 principles. And we are seeing the last shloka what we read, that one should satisfy the spiritual master and assistant priest by giving them cloths, ornament, cow and some monetary contribution, right? So whenever you have a program in your house, you should see that the devotees are fed nicely and the people who are coming should be given dakshina, the dan should be given, and everybody should be chanting the holy name nicely. And whatever the left prasad is there, it should be distributed to everybody. Our entire ISKCON movement, one of the pillars of ISKCON movement is food for life. What? Food for life. Because previously, if we used to go to any temple, प्रसाद मतलब बोलते खड़ी शक्कर, वो बोलते ना सिंगदाना मिल जाता था. The concept of prasad changed when we come to ISKCON. And अभी सादा प्रसाद खाएगा तो बोलेगा ठीक नहीं है यार, something should be of variety. हमारा आदत खराब हो गया है ISKCON में आने. आमरस नहीं है, स्वीट नहीं है प्रभु, एक ही सब्जी है, 2 सब्जी पनीर वाली नहीं है. Prabhupada used to tell the Mahaprasad that used to come from the altar, and in the evening they used to distribute. तो पहले क्या था कि थोड़ा थोड़ा आइटम सबको देने जाते थे, तो जिसको जो अच्छा लगता तो ले लेते था, बाकी बच जाता था. प्रभुपाद said no, this is महाप्रसाद, सबको मिक्स कर दो, एक गोला बना दो. And then distribute. So that way the evening prasad is गोला बना के रख देते हैं और जिसको देना है. That is what is started by Prabhupada actually. See, enjoy is Krishna. We are doing the best for Krishna. Remnants we get it. We get what? Remnants. That should be the bhav. The bhav should not be for taste. Actually, we come for the taste. That is the beginning stage. ISKCON में बहुत सारे लोग, अभी आज भी इतनी गर्दी है तो मैक्सिमम गर्दी बैठने के लिए और खाने के लिए है और दर्शन, we feel happy. Okay, better than sitting on the beach. It's better than sitting here and seeing the darshan, taking the darshan and having some prasad. Their sukriti will increase. Yeah? Sukriti will increase. In the Western world, you have to run behind devotees. Devotees को ढूंढना पड़ता है. आओ मंदिर आओ मंदिर आओ. I have seen in Boston temple, I was there. They keep free prasad outside the gate. Nobody comes. रखते, please come take darshan. No foreigner comes. Indians ही आते वहाँ पे. और यहाँ पे यहाँ पे कहीं बाहर नहीं, यहाँ पे लोग आ जाते हैं. We have no, we do not have, footfall problems. हमारा क्राउड का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, क्राउड मैनेजमेंट का प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. हमको रोकना पड़ता है, भाई बाहर रुको. That is the difference, So the entire ISKCON movement, what it is said, see, food for life is done only for one reason, that कुछ नहीं तो खिचड़ी तो लेके जावे. See, when a person comes to the temple, what is the most important thing? The first thing that he enters in the temple, he should get, the first, thali मिलता है उसमें. क्या मिलता है? Thali. And with the thali, the most important thing is Srila Prabhupada books. It's not anything else. The thali is a coverage, but the most important is that we give the books inside. And then they take darshan. They take the holy name. Then outside when they go, एक माला कर लो प्रभु, please. What they? We inspire them to do at least one round. And after that, सब खाने का है, तो he is very happy. Bakeries है, then पानी पूरी स्टॉल है, सब स्टॉल है. उसका enjoyment का time है. So he somehow, he gets, and if nobody has nothing, at least while going out he'll get some prasad dona. We on the rush day we do not give khichdi, because what happens, so khichdi लेके वहीं बैठ जाते, पीछे line लग जाती. So to manage the crowd, we give them something so that they can go out. So that was the reason that on working days, because khichdi garam रहती है, वहीं बैठ जाएंगे, तो पीछे का जो रश है दैट मल्टीप्लाइज. So they decided to give something, dry, so that they can go. So the main purpose of the temple is taking darshan, taking the holy name, having some books and taking prasad. Then his coming to the temple is successful. He will take some sukriti while going out of the temple. He is doing a yajna by coming in the temple. He is doing a yajna. And you see the process what is given is the same process what our acharyas, our ISKCON is following. The same process. Feed, ISKCON is providing food for life for all underprivileged children throughout the Mumbai. In the schools. If you see, that is one of the biggest contribution that ISKCON is doing throughout the world. If ISKCON is known, even if there is a world war, even there is fight, famine, Food for Life institution is there to provide the food. Very big thing. In COVIDs, lakhs and lakhs of plates were distributed when nobody was moving, but ISKCON was distributing. So where does this we get from? From the Shastras, where it is saying that the blind man, non-devotees, non-brahmanas. I told you in the Satyuga it was meditation. In Dwapar Yuga, in Rameshwar, Treta, in the Yajnas were there, and Dwapara, the big worships. But in Kali Yuga, Harinam is there, but most important the Dham is Jagannath Puri Dham. What is Dham? Main is Jagannath Puri Dham is Dham of Kali Yuga. Adjustment God. रात को 12 बजे भी जाएगा ना दर्शन मिलेगा. यस हाँ, और 12 बजे वो अलग से ड्रेस अप होते हैं, वो श्रृंगार ड्रेस, नाइट ड्रेस वाला. उनका नाइट ड्रेस नहीं रहता है, उनका ही बड़ा श्रृंगार बोलते हैं उसको. क्या बोलते हैं? बड़ा श्रृंगार होता है उनका. एंड दैट गीत गोविंद बहुत सुनाते हैं रात के टाइम पे. यस आज तक मैं नहीं देखा हूँ, क्योंकि व्हेन वी गो
फैमिली मतलब वाइफ्स आते हैं पूरा सज के.
हाँ, सच की आती है.
सज के पूरा बढ़िया सा वो मोटा सिल्क साड़ी पहन के.
हाँ रात को
उनको ही देख के इतना अच्छा लगता है.
So Kaliyug God is Jagannath. What? And Jagannath is teaching कि भाई कुछ नहीं होगा तो आनंद बाजार में चले जाना. भाई किधर? If you go to Jagannath Puri and if you don't have prasad, your darshan is incomplete. Anna Brahma, what is it known? You know that rice, they dry that rice and they sell it in the, and what they say, when I was coming, the driver over there, बोलता है आपके घर में ये जो सूखा चावल है ना, the normal person, वहाँ का नॉर्मल पर्सन हमको बताता है कि कभी कोई भूत प्रेत का कोई लफड़ा होगा ना तुम्हारे आजू बाजू में, तो रोज निकलने के पहले एक खिला दो चावल. हमारे यहाँ पे ये है कि ये खाने के बाद में कोई भूत प्रेत आता नहीं उसको. They have that strong faith.
शादी का प्रभु जी, शादी का भी जो प्रॉमिस करते हैं ना,
हाँ.
वो देके करते हैं.
वही चावल ना. So what I am trying to say, that food, that is prasad, is called as Anna Brahma. What is it called? And that legacy of prasad Mahaprabhu had given, and our acharyas and have started. How did this ISKCON movement started over there in US? Prabhupada alone used to cook, old age, and he used to cook,
8-9 items.
and then he used to feed them. After many times they used to eat and they used to leave. बहुत time ऐसा हुआ. And Prabhupada used to do in the early days everything. Then they used to feel, अरे हम लोग खा के चले जाते हैं, ये अकेला ओल्ड आदमी इधर रहता है, एक बार पूछ तो ले भाई इसको कोई हेल्प चाहिए क्या. Then after many times they told, sir, can we help you? So Prabhupada says, I was waiting for so many days that he will say, please help. So he started this movement by feeding actually, by making chapatis, cooking. Rasgullas, we call ISKCON bullets. Never they had tasted this. उन लोग druggist people, रसगुल्ला, अरे बाप रे किधर है ये रसगुल्ला? That is how they got attracted to the purity of Srila Prabhupada, the food of Srila Prabhupada. And that people gave their life to Srila Prabhupada after, and these are these people who have started this movement, and we are there in this movement. So prasad is a very, very, very important part. Without prasad, and prasad is plot says, patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadham bhakti vashnam ashnami prayat atmana. If you do not offer prasad and eat prasad, your life is horrible. Why? Because your tongue is not in control. You always want to eat many things outside. Hamesha, if tongue has, if tongue is not controlled, then the belly is not controlled. And Prabhupada says, Acharya says, Vacho Vega, Manasa Krodha Vega, Jiva Vega, Udara Upastha. This is called Upastha. They come in 3 lines. If this is not controlled, stomach is not controlled, and Upastha is not controlled. Genital is not controlled. And that is the destruction of the human life. That's why whatever you cook, please offer it with love and devotion. Patram, pushpam, phalam, toyam. Yome bhaktya. What is the word that is used? Not one time, 2 times Lord is using in this one shloka. One shloka 2 times. Patram, pushpam, phalam, toyam. Yome bhaktya prayachati. Tadam bhakti. Ashnami prayatatmana. Prayatatmana. Who are devotees? From them only I eat. And that's why in house deities are very, very important. Deities are very important. Without deities, our bhakti is not complete. The 5, after the 64 angas which are mentioned in the bhaktis, 5 angas which are very important. One of the angas is deity worship. Bhagavatam Seva, Nam Japa, Vaishnav Seva, Dham Vas. But deity Seva is very important. Because you develop a relationship. फोटो में उतना नहीं जमता है, लेकिन deities होगा तो और अच्छा होगा. So Dikshit people are advised that they should compulsory have Gaur Nitai deities in the house, Jagannath deities in the house, so that you reciprocate. Because क्या होता है, if you do not offer food to the Lord and with the bhav you do not eat, and when you start eating, what will happen? Your taste for outside things will completely get destroyed. You will not like outside things. Outside का जो खाना है, that automatically will get finished. Param drishtva nivartate. When you have that higher taste, that's why Prabhupada says higher taste. What he says? And that is the concept. And that higher taste prasad has to be given to everybody. So this shloka is connected with that yagya, that how you have to do the singing, dancing, and then prasadam feeding topic is coming. How ISKCON is in line with Srimad Bhagavatam. That is what the point I am trying to make. If it had not, आज हम लोग रात में इधर आते, क्लास में आते, अगर हमको घर पे जाके कुकिंग करना होगा तो शायद उतना नहीं होगा फिर. हमको इधर मालूम है भाई, इधर आ गया तो फिर हमारा रात का खाना ठीक है, हो जाएगा. That's a very important part. और माताओं को अगर किचन में से अगर छुट्टी मिल जाए तो सबसे बढ़िया उनके लिए. अगर एक दिन छुट्टी मिल जाए तो बोलते हैं हाँ वेरी गुड.
किधर मिलता है प्रभु जी, एक मील छुट्टी मिलता है फिर उसमें भी
But yes, Srila Prabhupada has definitely, in line of our Guru Parampara system, helped us to control our tongue with the help of. Do you agree this point or not? Huh? 100%. How many of you have now, because of this habit, outside eating, अभी आपका क्या हाल हो गया आप लोग सब लोग? दूसरों गोविंदा एक दिन के लिए ठीक है प्रभु, रोज रोज नहीं हमारे लिए. It is one day point, huh, Prabhuji, all this opulence. This is for outsiders who, actually, the prasad which we give. कुछ चीज होती है जो जगन्नाथ ही खा सकते, हम नहीं खा सकते. But yes, we should thank to Srila Prabhupada, we should thank to our Guru Parampara, because one of the most important thing in our devotional life is prasad. If prasad is not there in your house, मैं तो बोलता हूँ माताओं का सबसे बड़ा अगर कोई हथियार है उनके पास में घर को कंट्रोल करने का, अपने अंडर रखने का, तो प्रसाद है. क्या है? अगर आपको अपने बच्चे आपके कंट्रोल में चाहिए, आपके हस्बैंड आपके कंट्रोल में चाहिए, भगवान को ऑफर करके प्रेम करो और प्रेम से बोलो कि इनमें भी भक्ति बढ़े. क्या? प्लीज़ लॉर्ड, प्लीज़ थोड़ा इनमें भी डिवोशन. डेफिनेटली one day that person will change. It's a proof strategy that आप पे जितना डिवोशन है उतना आप पास ऑन कर सकते हो. इफ यू डू नॉट हैव डिवोशन, आप में 1% है तो आप 1% डेफिनेटली यू कैन पास इट ऑन. जितनी आप में है उतना तो आप दे सकते हो ना. बिकॉज आज पहले के ज़माने में है ना प्रभु जी, हमको याद है हमारे when I used to sit like you in our class and our Guruji used to give a class and he used to tell me कि in the olden days it was a shame अगर कोई बाहर जाके खाता था तो घर में से बोलते बाहर क्यों खाता है. और आज के ज़माने में घर में क्यों खाते हो, बाहर क्यों नहीं जाना को. You know it is. आज स्विगी बोलो, क्या बोलो, जोमेटो बोलो, टमाटो बोलो, वो सब आ गया, बटन दबाओ आ गया, कल्चर हो गया है वैसे ही. यस प्रभु.
Just on this point, what you say about making prasadam.
हाँ.
Coming from hotel India, I can tell you for a reason. जो cooking करते हैं,
हाँ.
इतने गंदे होते हैं उनके habits, unhealthy, unhygienic.
Because see they are doing for money.
और वापस क्या है, like our cooks in bistro, they came from the same background, but now they chant. Now they are not doing duty, they chant.
हाँ. That is the difference when you come. At least that standard थोड़ा हो जाता है, because it is said तामसी के हाथ का आप खाना खाया. Why did Ajamil become Ajamil? Because he was eating from the hand of a prostitute. Every day he kicked off his wife, Ajamil. He kicked off his mother and father. And he brought that prostitute and he was having food with him. And because of that, what happened with the Ajamil? He became a thief. He became a hunter. He became a killer. So the food has an impact on your thinking. जैसा अन्न वैसा मन. ये सबको मालूम है लेकिन फिर भी इन द ओल्डन डेज ऐसा नहीं बोलते थे कि ब्राह्मण खाली ब्राह्मण के हाथ का खाएगा. क्यों नहीं बोलते थे? ये इसीलिए बोलते थे कि भाई दूसरे का हाथ का खाने से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, हमारा मन खराब होता है. क्या होता है? इसलिए खाने पे प्रभुपाद ने हमारी जो बहुत हमको जो लाया, राक्षस लेवल से हमको इंसान लेवल पे लाया है खाने की वजह से. दिस इज वेरी. यस माता जी.
So when we were attending Bhakti Vriks class, I and Prabhuji,
हाँ.
you used to take the Bhakti Vriks class.
हाँ.
And तभी तो क्या है, everything was new to us and everything, and we used to were having everything.
हाँ.
So I just asked you one question. I said, so Prabhuji, what will happen? Like हम लोग यहाँ करेंगे, so we are trying to do something. ऐसे मैंने बहुत बढ़ाई. You said first you have to become human.
Yeah. Because you know, before coming, we used to think अपने अपने आप को देवता समझते थे हम लोग. But after coming here, we understand what we are actually. we are not like animals also. Animals are better than us.
Especially the 3 gunas wala class.
Yeah, it is very horrible. तीनों गुणों वाले फिर, and everybody is silent in the 3 gunas because everybody knows where I am standing actually. हम कौन से गुण में आते हैं? हाँ? Everybody knows, huh? I am in which guna after that 3-day class, huh?
28 hell also.
और 28 hells and you know ये भी बात आते तो you know they get very upset.
But Prabhuji, guna तो during the day time and you know according to the time change होते रहते हैं ना.
Yeah, we say according to the more time, like the night time is tamoguna time. It affects the time also affect place also because we know there are 5 factors for any karmas: place and the karta, then the senses, endeavors, and the Lord Himself. These are the 5 factors of each and every karma which you do. So okay, let's go further. ISKCON is one of the important. See, Prabhupada said Harinam is very important. Prabhupada said book distribution is very important. Prabhupada says prasadam is very important. Any program that you do, in this 3 things should come. What? Harinam, books, and late में लास्ट में प्रसाद होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एक्चुअली क्या है, हमारे क्लास में भी है, हमने भी देखा है, लास्ट में अटेंडेंस बहुत बढ़ जाता है. क्योंकि सबका मालूम है फिलॉसफी ऊपर से जाती है, क्या जाती है, लेकिन प्रसाद अंदर जाता है. और एक बार I was listening to one of the lectures, you know, Gaurang Prabhu was giving the lectures. So in the early days, you know, the prasadam team na, he used to give very carefully prasad. क्या? थोड़ा दे रही थी. तो उनको पूछा कि बोलता कि थोड़ा क्यों दे रहे हो भाई साहब, बराबर से जो बोलता है नहीं लास्ट में बचेगा कि नहीं. तो उन्होंने क्या बोला मालूम, आप लोग पहला प्रसाद ले लो या आप अपनी प्लेट पहला बना लो. क्या बोला? तो उन लोग सबने अपनी प्लेट बना ली, फिर दिल से भर के दे रहा था. बोला लो प्रसाद लो और लो.
ये जनरल के लिए होता है. ये बचेगा कि नहीं.
So that's why you have to first take out. बोलते हैं कि जो प्रसाद वाले उनका सिक्योर करो फ्यूचर. क्या करो?
Before we go further, on this prasad issue, I want to ask you a question. When we had neophyte devotee sadhak, we go to some place, शादी है या प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे प्रसाद
है ही
नहीं है या जो खाना आता है, तो उसमें क्या
what should be, as I told, I always discuss in the disciple course these things very nicely. I discuss भाई घर से पेट भर के जाने का सबसे पहले तो क्या करें, और वहाँ जाके फ्रूट्स या कुछ है ये जो चीज़ है वो नाम के लिए हमको लेना पड़ता. बाकी हमको पेट घर पे से जाना है और उनको बोलना है कि हमारा पेट ठीक नहीं है. इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई अगर ISKCON में है, इधर है तो ठीक है, लेकिन जहाँ बाहर है it's very difficult. You have to go to maintain the relationship. You should not go for the taste actually. हमारा रिलेशन मेंटेन करना है, हमको जाना है कुछ काम के लिए तो ठीक है. बाकी you know one thing you should understand, ध्रुव महाराज, we are listening to ध्रुव महाराज, जैसे जैसे आपका भजन बढ़ता है आपका भोजन कम होगा. It should be reverse. क्या होना चाहिए? It's exactly reverse. I was listening to Hiranyakashipu. Now I'm, you know, my daily Shravan, I'm today now listening to Hiranyakashipu. So Hiranyakashipu was very strong and determination. For how many years? 100 years of Devatas. How many years?
100 years.
1 years of Devata is 365. 1 years of Devata is 365 years of India, मतलब earthly planet. कितना? Because 6 महीने उत्तरायण, 6 महीने दक्षिणायन, that is 1 day. That is 1 day and night of Devatas. So 365 days is equal to how many? 1 day, 1 year. 1 year of Devatas. 365. 365 years. Apna 365 years.
Is 1 day of Devata.
1 day of? No. 1 year of Devata.
365 to 1.
See, because 1 year is 1 day. 1 year is 1 day. Right? So 1 year में 365 days हो गया ना, तो 365 years into 100. How many? That was Hiranyakashipu standing on one toe with the hand up
Looking at the sun.
and looking at the sky. And Brahmaji, when he appeared, he told this type of tapasya what you have done for 100 years of Devata, not drinking a drop of water. What?
Not drink a drop of
हमको एकादशी के दिन निर्जला आता है तो हमारा पहले से प्रेशर चालू हो जाता है कि क्या करना है. हाँ, अभी निर्जला आएगा. एक दिन निर्जला रखना है और ही केप्ट फॉर 365 into 100 years, that many time of years he was standing without water. What to speak about Dhruv Maharaj? When Naradji didn't told that you have to do such a way of, tapasya, but he excelled in his tapasya by standing. And a point came when he stopped drinking, stopped breathing also.
Every 12 days he's
Breathing also is stopped. So bhajan and bhojan are always inverse, indirectly proportion. If your bhajan increases, your bhojan will decrease. And that's why we have this Kartik Vrata and so many vratas are there where we take up the vratas. Bhishma Panchak Vrata is there to increase your bhajan. Bhojan, as the age also increase, your bhojan should decrease. मतलब जहाँ 3 टाइम खाते हो वहाँ 2 टाइम खाओ, फिर 1 टाइम खाओ. मतलब it should, your bhajan should increase. I heard, I do not know whether it was right or wrong, but olden days the story used to come कि ये बैल को जोतने को क्यों भेजा मालूम है? शिवजी ने बैल को भेजा था बोलने के लिए कि भाई दिन में 3 टाइम नाना और 1 टाइम खाना. तो इधर आया तो बैल ने बोला 3 टाइम खाओ और 1 टाइम नहाओ. तो बाद में बोला बैल तू ही जा और तू ही जोत अभी.
3 टाइम खाने के लिए.
Yeah, you have to go. So what I am trying to say, bhajan and bhojan is always inverse, and you yourself will feel that when your bhajan increases, your taste for the material things will always reduce. And this all things are not told outside ISKCON, please, I am telling you. If you go to any other sampradayas, आपको जो खाना है खाओ. चाय पानी पीना है चाय पानी पियो, सब खाओ,
एक माला करो.
कोई पाबंदी नहीं. That is very wrong. Because we follow in a ISKCON Parampara system, Guru Parampara system, we have a system. Don't eat anything which is not offered to Lord, please. कोई भी चीज़ जो भोग नहीं लगी हमारे ठाकुर. बहुत जन बोलते कि चाय क्यों नहीं पीते ये. There are many scientific reasons for not drinking tea and coffee. But we devotees do not go in the argument. We only say one simple thing. See, we are fool people. What? हम लोग थोड़ा पागल लोग हैं. हमको हमारे गुरुजी ने बोला है कि ठाकुर जी को जो भोग लगता है वही खाओ. What is offered to the Lord, only that should be taken. और for Lord चाय और कॉफ़ी लगता नहीं. लगता है चाय कॉफ़ी? दूध लगता है, केसर वाला दूध. क्या? हाँ, गाय का दूध. So that is what is more important. Food is very, 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 very important part of our bhakti. And why we have come to this topic of food, just to come to this line where Kashyap Muni is saying to Aditi that everybody should be fed. Everybody. It's not that prasad. You know, how many of you have done Satyanarayan Puja in your house? जिसने किया है बोलो सत्यनारायण पूजा हाँ?
आज सब जगह चल रहा है
आज चल रहा है So what is the main part of Satyanarayan Katha? If anybody knows. कहा ईप श्री प्रसाद कलावती लीलावती क्या नाम था उसका This is honor the prasad. Huh? If you see the katha, there is no katha, it is prasad mahima. That entire Satyanarayan katha is prasad mahima. And what is Satyanarayan puja? The puja, main puja is the 1000 tulasi dal. The names of the Lord which you offer at the feet of the Lord. That is the tulasi puja. That is Satyanarayan puja. But the main part after the puja is प्रसाद एंड लॉर्ड सेज कुछ नहीं होगा ना तो शीरा प्रसाद खिलाओ एटलीस्ट क्या है गरीब से गरीब आदमी भी वो दे सकता है शीरा यस हाँ यस एटलीस्ट यू कैन गिव दैट एंड इफ यू डोंट ऑफर व्हाट हैपेंस दैट एंटायर 5 पार्ट्स 5 पार्ट स्टोरी इज देयर 5 कथा है मेरे को याद है हम हर पूनम करवाते थे हमारे घर में यस
उनकी नैया डूब गई
अदृश्य हो गए एंड पीपल मेरे को मालूम है वी हैव हर्ड वो आधे जन तो पीछे है ना वो खाली वो कब एक पार्ट हुआ 2 पार्ट हुआ 3 पार्ट हुआ तो ताली बजाने और 5 पढ़ाया हो गया आरती चालू करो Satyanarayan Puja, this is very common. But the main part of Satyanarayan Puja is prasad. Its entire story is related to prasad only. That how she dishonored the prasad and because she honored the prasad and how the things happened. So we have to be very, very careful whether it is flower of the Lord, whether it is prasad of the Lord. Huh? If you dishonor the prasad of the Lord, dishonor the remnants of the Lord, all your opulence will get destroyed. We seen with the Indra. Huh? How everything went away just by throwing away the garland. Away. Durvasa Muni. Huh? So remnants of the Lord, remnants of the sadhus should be very taken carefully and should be placed very carefully. Prasad also it should not be wasted. And we know there are level of prasads. Mass prasad is there and gradation of prasad is there. What we give in Govindas or what we give in mass cooking is a different level of mass cooking prasad. But we always say the brahmanas what they cook outside in the temple inside with the purity, that Raj Bhoga and all that DT kitchen. Yes.
Prabhu, when you say dishonoring prasad, or there are 2 types, intentionally and unintentionally. There
Yeah.
are times you intentionally it happens.
Yeah.
Whether the reactions are the same?
Yes, Prabhuji, prasad ka dishonor karna, whether intentionally or disintentionally, there has to be some reaction. So we have to be very careful regarding prasad. Actually waste नहीं होना चाहिए, किसी ना किसी के पेट में तो जाना चाहिए. हमका हमारे हाथ से भी वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए और इफ देयर इज सम बचा हुआ भी है तो किसी के पेट में जाना चाहिए. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिपार्टमेंट प्रसादम. और हमारे इस्कॉन में हमारी जब HOD मीटिंग होती है ना तो सब मीटिंग का सबसे फर्स्ट टॉपिक है ना हम लोग प्रसादम नहीं लेते क्योंकि अगर प्रसादम टॉपिक चालू हुआ ना तो ख़त्म नहीं होता. वही टॉपिक के ऊपर पूरा क्या हो जाता है, अटक जाता है. बाकी कोई भी टॉपिक डिस्कस फिर हो गया होता ही नहीं है क्योंकि हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ इश्यू रहता है. या तो ज़्यादा हो गया, कम हो गया, टेस्ट कम हो गया, ये हो गया. इट्स अ बिग इश्यू प्रभु, ऑलवेज बिग इश्यू. No, this happened, that happened, the quality is not there, this is there, that is not there, this issue is come, that issue is come. It's a big part of ISKCON. So handling prasad is not easy department. Actually we are very fortunate in ISKCON. We have our congregation have not been trained It is very unfortunate in ISKCON Jew. Otherwise, if you go in Chopati, otherwise you go in Pune or Mira Road, entire Sunday congregation is not cooked by somebody, but they are cooked by devotees only, by congregation only. Nobody else cook. The seva is divided. And they have to come, they have to cook, and they only have to distribute.
Every Sunday congregation only cooks the food.
Yes. So here we have given a royal, आओ प्लेट ले लो खा लो अमृत. But there that habit has been there. Groups will come, according to groups they will do the cooking. And see, when devotees cook any program, one also important, very important, when you keep program in your house also, very important instruction that you should take, that programs when you cook, it should be either coming, the food should be either cooked by devotees, not by Maharaj. महाराज से नहीं होना चाहिए, जो प्रोफेशनल महाराज रहते. It should be cooked by devotees, or it should come from the temple. It should come from the temple. Second, when that prasad has to be served, it should be served by devotees. It should be served by devotees in the house. Cooking by devotees, or it should come from the temple. The money should go either to the temple or to the devotees, not Maharaj, professional Maharaj. It's very, very this thing. In the house, you should remember that thing. घर में कभी भी प्रोफेशनल लोगों से कुकिंग नहीं करने का, खास करके कोई भी ऐसा प्रोग्राम रहेगा, प्लीज ट्राई टू ब्रिंग इट. So this is very important part, and I think so. Today 45 minutes we just discuss one shloka. ठीक है, let's go forward. We have not finished the Prayodi Vrata. Now the Lord has to appear. Yeah, 57. Somebody can read? Yeah, please read 57.
Nrityavaditra Gitascha
Nityavaditra Gitascha
Stutibhi Swasti Vachike
Stutibhi Swasti Vachike
Karaye Tat Katha Bischa
Karyete Tathasbhischa
Pujam Bhagavato Anvaham.
Pujam Bhagavato Aham. Please the translation, Prabhu.
Every day from Pratipat to Trayadashi, one should continue the ceremony to the accompaniment of dancing.
What they should do in this puja? Dancing should be there. Whenever these programs are going on, what should be there? Dancing. Then singing.
The beating of a drum, the
Yes.
chanting of prayers and all auspicious mantras, and recitation of Srimad Bhagavatam. In this way, one should worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
So in our programs, these things happens or not? Yes. Huh? Yes. Dancing is there or not? Yes. Bhagavatam recitation is there or not? Yes. Huh?
Prabhu ji dance nahi karte.
Dancing is very important. Because if you don't dance over here, you have to dance in 84 lakh species. You will have to jump in 84 lakh species. If you don't dance in front of Lord, Maya will make you dance. क्या? नाचना तो पड़ेगा आपको. या तो माया के सामने नाचो, या तो भगवान के सामने नाचो. हाँ? You have to dance. And that's why practice dancing. Srila Prabhupada has given simple step, which we call Prabhupada step. One step forward, one step. One step. It is not like jungly dancing, you know. You know, people, sometimes you go out the street and you do, and you know, sometimes some बहुत जोश वाले आ जाते और ऐसा 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 नाचने लगते. You know, they come in the Harinam Sankirtan, you know, पागल जैसे, you know. हाँ? एक बार real story in the Western world. You know, when this Harinam was going on, there were many people who have enviness to these people who are dancing and chanting. वो टमाटर उसका बेचने का काम था. क्या था? तो वो लोगों को टमाटर दे देता था, उनके ग्रुप वाले लोगों, और बोलते इन लोग आवे तो टमाटर मारो सारे. So they used to throw the rotten tomatoes on the Kirtan party. And then also our Kirtan party used to go and say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. And every day now this used to go, the Kirtan party used to go, and every day this used to happen. And they used to say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, and they used to go, and they used to take the rotten thing. After few days, these people started feeling, okay, what are we doing? You know, their heart started changing. You know, their heart started changing, and they stopped throwing. But after that, the most important thing that happened, you know, that when Lord Jagannath was going, you know, that time, these people came. बोलते जगन्नाथ यात्रा में हमारे तरफ से जितने भी आपको खाने के लिए टमाटर चाहिए हम स्पॉन्सर करते हैं. So they sponsored the tomato from that shop, और वो डोनर बन गया टमाटर का. तो भगवान के भक्तों को मारने से कितना फायदा हुआ उसको. कि भाई वो खुद टमाटर देने लग गया. So dancing, chanting, this is what a movement is. Whenever you go in a house, there should be katha, there should be kirtan, there should be dancing, and after that prasad should be there, and a takeaway message should be there, that today what we have done is for purification of that house, for that place, कि उस घर में जाके उसका स्थान पवित्र हो जाए और आशीर्वाद लेके आना चाहिए. We should go for giving blessings, and everybody's blessing is required. प्रभु जी, हमारे भक्तों में I always say that two things are very important. एक है तुम्हारी साधना और दूसरा है blessings. Without blessings your bhakti is not complete. ठीक है. Read the third shloka. 10 minutes will continue and then we'll stop. 10 minutes.
एतत्तपयो व्रतं नाम पुरुषाराधनं परं
पुरुषाराधनं परं
पितामहेनाभिहितं
पितामहेनाभिहितं
मय्या ते समुद्राहतं.
मय्या ते समुदाहतं.
Translation: This is the religious ritualistic ceremony known as Payovrata, by which one may worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead. I received this information from
So who has given this? Kashyap Muni is not giving on his own. He had heard it from the Guru Parampara. From whom? Brahmaji had told him. He didn't give this vrata, but he had heard from. तो आपको भी अगर किसी को कोई उपाय देना है तो गुरु परंपरा में से जो गुरु से आया है उसी को आपको बोलना है. You do not have to concoct new things from your way. Like today, one sadhu came in my house, today only, in the afternoon. And he is a very tapasvi sadhu tha, apne mandir mein hi hai, last 30 years he is there. And he was just speaking. And he told that, we heard that you had so many problems in the court case, or yes. So he says, I personally do this Narsingha Bhagwan ke 108 mantra. You know, that part I do every day. You also do. What? You also please do. Because Prabhupada has started. What? When Mayapur temple was there, and Prabhupada was facing with all this Malichha's problem, he established a temple over there. Where? Mayapur, Narsingha Dev temple. And after that, everything, you know, normal, and now the things are prosperous over there. I had also many problems in the temple, and then I started this Narsingha Bhagwan thing, and I every day without fail I chant this 108 mantras. So you can also try this, because I am doing it. What it says? It will help you. So this is a sadhu bhava. What? This is what we called as a sadhu bhava. If somebody is in a problem, if you have practiced it, you can tell. You also practice. It has helped me. Like I tell, see, I recite Bhagavad Gita every day. I recite Bhagavatam shloks every day, samjho. I recite, I always say Gajendra Stuti Path karo, ye karo, because it is the mantra is given, that type of. What you practice, if you tell, it has more potency and if you have the blessings, then it will work. So here we see Brahmaji is telling to whom? Kashyap. And Kashyap is not speaking on his own. He is speaking on behalf of Brahmaji, and that we called as Guru Parampara system. So कोई भी अपने को उपाय देना है, हमको हमारे गुरु परंपरा के आदेश के अनुसार देना है, हमें हमारा मन से कोई उपदेश नहीं, क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ पे भक्ति योग सीख रहे हैं. क्या कर रहे हैं हम? ना तो कर्म, ना तो ज्ञान, ना तो यज्ञ दान, ये इस पर हमारा कोई फोकस नहीं है. हमारा वो फोकस है जो चैतन्य महाप्रभु बताए. What marg Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given, what marg our Guru Parampara system has given, that we try to follow. And it is said, the same thing is said again and again in the Bhagavatam also, in Bhagavad Gita also, when the Virat Roop was shown to the Lord, to the Arjuna. Yagya, Dana, Tapa, you will not be able to see me in this. It is only Ananya Bhakti. What he told? That you will be able to know me in this form. And how that Ananya Bhakti comes? When you simply follow the instructions as it is from the Guru Parampara. Evam parampara praptam imam raja rishayo vido sakalene mahata yogo nashta param tapa. Okay, so it's here today I think so officially a Payodri Vrat is finished. Now after that she will be practicing, and then Lord will appear, and now after Lord appearing many things will happen. How the Devatas will be going, Abhisheks will be done of the Lord, Janma festival will happen. What? Vamana Dev Janma festival will happen, and then Vaman Dev after that will go to the arena, Bali Maharaj, the actual and the test of Bali Maharaj will be taken. Supreme test of Bali Maharaj, and how flying colors Bali Maharaj comes out of the test. हमारा जैसा रहेगा तो हमारा देखो एक कंस था और एक बलि महाराज था, both from the Asuri kul. When Kansa was tested by the Akashvani, he showed his real color. He immediately grabbed the hair of Devaki, whom he was serving. And here the Guru is standing, Shukracharya is standing, and he is telling, don't give. He is going to, if he is going to take for himself, it's okay, but he is going to give to your enemy. Whom? Indra. He is instigating. And he is giving all the Vedic proof by which he can save himself. But then also Bali Maharaj, because he is the Acharya of Atma Nivedana. What is that? Atma Nivedana. Tan, man, dhan, everything Bali Maharaj gave. And that's why glorious, how glorious, and why Bali Maharaj, and how Lord surrendered, and he became a doorkeeper at the Sutalok. Because Lord says, I am bounded by my devotees. The love of my devotees is the only thing which bounds me. There is no other thing that can bound me. And that is one of the lessons that we come to know, that if you want to bound the Lord, it is only the love that can bound him in your heart. There is no other thing that can bound him. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. So what are the takeaway lessons of today's class? Prasadam. Yes.
Yes, Shloka 57 man, the word Anvaham. It means every day they said Pratipattu Trayodasi.
Yes.
So, which is the great Pratipatti which day?
First day after moon, Pratipada. जैसे प्रतिपदा, फिर द्विज, फिर तियोदशी, फिर फर्स्ट आफ्टर अगला दिन अमावस्या के बाद में जैसे जैसे मून बढ़ता है ना वैसा है. yes, yes. हाँ. So what is the takeaway lessons today's class?
We should not
Huh?
we should either cook the prasad, devotees should cook, or from the temple.
भजन बढ़ेगा तो भोजन कम होगा. आपका मेरा सबका भोजन कम हो गया लगता है.
That is directly proportional to the taste of it.
What else?
Avoid outside food.
Avoid outside food. What else? Offer with love and devotion. What else? Never dishonor. Kirtan, katha and dancing should be there. तो चलो अभी थोड़ा dancing कर लेवे. Prabhuji, you wanted to say something? No? अच्छा. Okay. So, Kirtan, we can stop here. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.